Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. So we will just go into the Chrome browser here, and right now that here I'm in the ChatGPT, so let me show you how to open it. So basically in the Google browser or any of the browser, just tap ChatGPT and here click on the first link, which is by the OpenAI. And after that, click on try ChatGPT. You will be redirected to, and here after login, you will get this feature to use it. So basically right now I will just ask him to write 2000 words essay on water, right? So here if I just hit the enter button, in just few seconds here it will write me a 2000 words of an essay. So you can just ask him each and anything. For example, I will ask him that, can AI destroy humans? Okay, and I will just click on the hit the enter button, and right, I will just hit the enter button, and here you can see that whether it can give me the answer of it not. So here it says that it is unlikely that AI will directly destroy humans. Okay, that is a little bit interesting. So here you can ask ChatGPT each and everything, and whatever the doubts, whatever the question you want to ask him, and it will find you answer in just fraction of seconds. But let me tell you, the answers are not 100% true or 100% right. You have to do a little bit of modification or changes to look like totally 100% original. So here, this is the best way to use a ChatGPT. You can ask him any bizarre question to a normal question. It's up to you, and you can ask it. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.